Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is
As 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. Why were immigrants typically targeted during the Palmer raids, and what was the result of the raids on immigrant population? The answer of the question is immigrants were taken during the Palmer raids due to fear of radicalism resulting in mass assets deportations and increased anti-immigrant sentiment. This is the correct answer of the question. If you have a question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel.